Look, this weather, man, is absolutely beautiful, man. Just beautiful. Now, we're gonna swap some cars, man. So we're getting this Cobra back out.
Let's get it.
So we got the Cobra out right now, and look, it's beat. It's 100% beat. Literally pretty much left it for the winter just because, you know, cold weather, salt, snow, it's not worth it. But look at this, man. Look, check out the welds. Little gander here on the welds right now, and they look absolutely beat, man. This sucks. I'm gonna try to see right now if I could just bring this back and get all this clean, because this is terrible. Look, so this is the driver's side, and let's go over ahead and I already have the passenger side taken out, so let's check that one out as well. And here we have our passenger side, and again, pretty beat, should be shiny, and it's not shiny. So I'm gonna see if somehow, some way I can gather this and make it shiny, make it look chrome, even though it's not. So yeah, elbow grease, white wall cleaner, and then wheel and polish by Mothers. So sure, let's give it a shot. Okay, so there's a very, very high chance that we could bring these wheels back to life, man. But you know, I'll show you what I got so far, but here's my only issue. So I'm gonna have a different kind of a way to go about it and see if it works. So this right here has not been polished whatsoever, and here, within this side, we have a nice polished surface, and it looks, you know, chromy. That's the look that we're going for, nice and shiny. The problem is that, you know, this brand new cone that I'm using to polish that wheel, instead of being red, it's turning black. So that's not good. So here's the plan. We are gonna use quadruple zero, steel wool, and we're gonna put polish onto this to then, with some elbow grease, go onto the wheel and pretty much see if we can get all this grime up. And then afterwards, we'll go back in with the cone. If I'm being really honest with you, this is the first time I'm doing this, so we're going straight off a limb. If it works, cool. If not, cool. I mean, I think we'll still get some shine, so let's see what happens. So here's the final result of what we got so far, right? Let me show you the bad driver's side, the terrible version, all right? Look, check this out. This is the driver's side completely obliterated, okay? Now let's go to the passenger. I mean, if you ask me, that's shiny, you know? I'm gonna be really honest, I probably didn't need the steel wool, even though I'm going to use it again, but yeah, I mean, this is not bad. This is not bad, man. I gotta admit, this is a decent method. And having this little like polisher pad thingy, rotator cuff, nah, that's not what it's called, but having it is a great help. So we're gonna wrap this up and then clean the car right after and give a final result. So here's our pass with the steel wool and the polisher. Now our last step is gonna be doing the, the polishing machine, the polishing cone, if you will. And then we'll see a shine, you know what I mean? We'll see something. And here is our final look with the cone. And if I'm being really honest, guys, I mean, there's a couple spots in here that I wasn't able to get, but you know what, man? It's shiny and better looking than it was before. So I'll take it. I gotta clean this whole car. And yeah, and I'll be really fair and say there was no purpose to this particular video, none whatsoever. Just weather's nice, had to clean the car, get it out, you know, and turns out it's gonna rain the upcoming day, or the next day, following day, whatever. You know, but look, trying to get the car out again, man. We're getting warmer weather, let's go. Look, so I'm gonna be completely honest and pretty much say that completely forgot to record everything else. So just cars in the background. The gist of the video is, man, getting the car ready for the springtime, absolutely. And yeah, so we're not gonna show you the full overview. We're gonna get that in another video. Talk about what we got going on in 26, what the plans are, what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do it. I don't know, man. Look, one step at a time, man. But with all that being said, if you guys find this video enjoyable in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like. Don't forget, for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell, man. Till this baby with Chris Rod, and I see all you beautiful people next time. Peace.
Hoy salgo a casarte, voy a atraparte y darte castigo.